Hey guys, check this out. So it's water and peroxide. Hey, what's up? It's Brandon Weller. Weller's Artwork. I work at wawa, obviously. Um, Basically, what's going on is right here look like this, and the reason why it's clean is because I got the dust out and all that bullshit with a toothbrush and water and peroxide. Yeah. So let's see what happens, I'm not a mechanic or a tech, but, I'll probably be finished in about 20 minutes. You know what I mean? Shit happens when you come home and you want your fucking air conditioner on. Excuse my language, that's about it, you know what I mean? Peace out all the way up. Bye.